Welcome to the world of casinos, a place packed with flashing lights, sounds, and promises of big wins. But have you ever wondered why the casino almost always has the upper hand? Today, we'll explore the mathematical edge casinos hold and the psychological reasons why so many of us keep coming back for more. Let's start with the basics. Every game of chance, from roulette to slot machines, is mathematically designed to give the casino an edge over time. Take roulette, for instance. The rules are simple. You bet on a number, color, or another option, and if you win, you get a multiple of your stake. If the wheel had only numbers from 1 to 36, the odds would theoretically even out in the long run. But casinos have a clever twist. They add a green zero or an additional double zero in American roulette. That small addition tips the scales in the casino's favor every time. It's estimated that about 1.6 billion people worldwide gamble regularly, and up to 4.2 billion will try their luck at least once in their lives. This tells us just how widespread gambling is and how well casinos know how to draw people in. Here's another trick. You're not playing with cash, but with chips. Using chips makes it easier for us to overlook how quickly we're losing money, and we're less attached to chips than we would be to actual cash. Plus, once we've bought chips, there's often a feeling that we need to make the most of it, that since the money is already spent, we might as well keep playing. This psychological approach gives the casino an extra advantage, keeping us at the tables longer. So, if the odds are against us, why do we keep playing? It's because our brains are wired to respond to dopamine, the feel-good chemical. Every time we get close to winning, we feel a rush of excitement, fueling the belief that maybe next time the win will be ours. This phenomenon, known as the near-miss effect, tricks our brains into reacting to a close call almost like an actual win, which can increase our desire to keep playing by up to 30%. Our minds also have a tendency to see patterns in random events, making us think that unrelated outcomes are somehow connected. Take roulette again. If black has come up 5 times in a row, many players believe that red is now due. Statistically, this has no basis. Each spin is independent of the last, but our brains are wired to find patterns, and we convince ourselves that red must be next. This kind of thinking often leads us to make riskier bets. Let's imagine a typical night in the casino. You walk in with a set amount of money, ready to play for fun. At first, the games feel exciting, and maybe you even have a few small wins. Those early wins boost your confidence and give you the sense that tonight might be your lucky night. You keep playing, thinking just one more game. But as the night goes on, losses start piling up. You tell yourself you're just in a bit of a slump and that one more game could turn things around. The longer you stay, the more your emotions take over. The thrill of the first win fades, replaced by the frustration of losing. And suddenly, it feels like you're on a mission to win back what you've lost. And because you've already spent time and money, it feels too late to walk away now. At this point, your mindset has shifted from playing for fun to chasing a loss. The casino is built for this exact moment, as it knows that the longer you play, the more likely it is that you'll end up leaving with less than you came in with. Casinos use other strategies to keep us in the game longer too. Bright lights, catchy sounds, vibrant colors, and even the lack of clocks or windows all work together to make us lose track of time and become absorbed in the moment. They'll even offer free drinks, which can cloud our judgment and further lower our ability to think critically about our decisions. Our brains also tend to overestimate our chances of winning. We're naturally drawn to taking risks, especially when the stakes seem low and the possible reward is high. Imagine you have $1 to bet. Would you choose a guaranteed $2 return or a tiny chance to win $200? Most people go for the big win, even if the odds are practically zero. This mix of desire and hope for a huge payoff keeps us at the games. The casino always wins, not just because of mathematical advantages, but because of the psychological ones too. It's a world built on illusions, where statistics and psychology work against us. It's essential to remember that these factors can lead to addiction, and that casinos profit from people's losses. So let's play responsibly, and keep in mind that, over time, the casino will always have the upper hand. Thanks for watching.